This is Swan gift set, which consists of Swan gift set, a ring top fountain pen, and a mechanical pencil. So let's cover the pencil first. Zoom in. So there's the pencil, ring top fountain pen, there's no sack in there right now, so the bar is just Swan self-filling pen, Mabie, Todd and Company, New York, trademark. Eternal. I think at some point the nib and maybe the feed were changed because it says a Swan 3 14 karat nib, and I think this should have a smaller nib that's eternal. The other issue is the feed has a chip of material. Hold on. There's enough of a ledge down there where you might be able to get away with just putting a sack over it if you wanted to use it, but in a perfect world, you would sleeve this and you would drill it out on a lathe and sleeve it with a new nipple. I think what happened is somebody tried to knock the feed out with something that was too narrow in diameter, and since the feed up top is slanted a bit, it skewed the rod and blew out from the inside, and the pressure bar is in there. It's just, that's the deal. I think this I can zoom out. Okay, I'll mess with it after. So ring top doesn't really post well, but this was shut.